Welcome to week 2 of Bristol Grade School's professional development series for substitute teachers. Whether you're a long-term sub or a short-term sub, these lessons, this professional development will become valuable to you as schools are increasingly moved towards dispersed learning environments, towards virtual learning environments, and many of them use Google Classroom. So substitute teaching is now shifted from simply showing up to a physical classroom and substitute teaching in the traditional sense. Now schools are going to be more and more looking for substitutes that can function and operate in a virtual learning environment as well. And Bristol is no different. So by now you've already become somewhat acclimated with Google Classroom as you completed week 1. This week, we're going to talk about how the teacher schedules a sub and what you'll want to look for as you accept subbing assignments. So let's get started. The first thing that the teacher is going to do is they're going to go ahead and add a sub. So to do that, they're going to click the little plus up there, and they're going to type in sub, and they will invite the sub. Now, what this is going to do is we're going to go ahead and jump over to the substitute teacher account. If you're the substitute teacher and you're a short-term sub, you'll want to log into Google using sub@bristol.k12.wi.us. The password will be provided to you by Anna Mogard at our front desk. Alternatively, you could also contact myself or Nikki Mauer. You'll want to navigate to Classrooms by clicking the waffle box here. So click that, and we'll go to Classroom. This will result in us being directed to a classroom lobby. You'll see that there's multiple invites here. The subbing assignment that you have been assigned will be given to you by Anna Bogard. So if you're looking for Gardena Social Studies, you would want to accept that, or Littell Social Studies, you'd want to accept that. In this case, we're looking at Google Classroom 101. That's our subbing assignment. So we're going to go to accept. And this may take a minute for us to get in. You will be given a kind of some tips and pro tips, things like that. You can generally just kind of read those quickly and then hit OK. We'll then want to navigate to classwork, because what we're looking for here is the substitute plan. And it will usually be a material post like this. And this one happens to say subplans. So we're going to go ahead and open that up. And we're going to open the document. And then from here, we can read the subplans that the teacher has left for us. And this will walk us through our day. The nice thing about Google Classroom is that the lesson plan is essentially laid out here for you. And it may or may not be sequential, but you can usually go just write down the list of material, activities, links, and so on and so forth, and assist the students with those activities based on what the subplans are here. For example, if the teacher wants you to have a math session in Khan Academy, you would find that the link for that as an assignment or possibly as a material link here. And the students will essentially know what to do with that link. So that about wraps up how you accept sub-assignments and gain access to your classroom, your virtual classroom. If you have any questions, you may contact myself at 1602 or Nikki at 1213, I believe is her extension.